Hey everybody, how's it going again? Buddy Blackford here with another Photoshop CS6 tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to go over the Despeckle filter. Now the Despeckle filter is a little bit different but it's than some other filters in the fact that you can't adjust anything in it. So pretty much I'm going to be telling you what it does, and you may have to apply it several times to get a decent looking effect. It is a very subtle effect. So let's go ahead and start with the Despeckle filter. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to duplicate my layer just so I don't work on the original background layer. Let's go to filter, and if we come down to noise, it's under Despeckle right here. And I'm going to point out that to the right of the word Despeckle, you don't have the ... there. That means that it doesn't have any options for you to adjust. So I'm just going to click on it, and you'll see that it added some blurriness to the layer. Now I'm going to turn it on and turn it off so you can see what it looks like compared to what it looks like when it's not on. So here is on, and here is off. Now there definitely is a blurriness. You can definitely see it mostly in the skin tones, and if you look up here on the ceiling, you can see it in the ceiling a little bit. But like I said before, the effect is really subtle, so you may have to add it several times. Now what the Despeckle filter does is it looks in like shifts in contrast or brightness and tries to preserve the edges of those shifts in brightness. So for example, look at the arm here where there's a black shirt and then pretty much a really bright skin tone there. And what the Despeckle is going to try to do is keep this edge intact while blurring the middle part here where the edge isn't. So keep that in mind when you're using this filter. So I'm going to add it again. By just going up here, it's going to add it again. And if you notice that the Control F is the hotkey for just using your last filter with its settings again. So use it again. And now what I'm going to do is come up into my history layer. I'm going to go to my... Actually, I don't even need to do that. I can just turn on the eye on and off. So here you go. You can see how there has been more blur applied, and probably too much in this. So I probably only need to do it twice. So let's go up here, let's go back to here. So I went up to the history panel and I went back one Despeckle, so I took away one of them. And here we go. And here we've got a little bit more of a blurred image. So that is how Despeckle works. So pretty much use it when you're trying to do an accurate blurring of your image while still preserving the detail in the image. So keep using Despeckle if you would like, and then I'm going to go over the opposite of Despeckle in the next tutorial, which is under, I'll come up here to it, filter, oh, why? Oh, that's off, that's why. Filter, and if we go to noise, dust and scratches is the opposite, and I'll be going over that in another tutorial. So let's look forward to that one, and I'll just end this one. I forgot how to end this one correctly again. It seems to be something that happens sometimes when you're doing these. You just forget what to say sometimes. But thanks a lot for watching this one. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. See you later.